Teaching methodology refers to the principles, strategies, and techniques educators use to facilitate effective learning. It encompasses planning, delivering, and assessing instruction to meet the diverse needs of learners. Broadly, methodologies can be teacher-centered, where the instructor delivers knowledge directly, or student-centered, where learners actively engage, explore, and collaborate. Effective teaching integrates various strategies, such as direct instruction for foundational skills, inquiry-based learning to encourage critical thinking, and project-based learning for real-world application. It also involves tailoring lessons to accommodate different abilities and learning styles, known as differentiated instruction. Teaching methodologies are rooted in learning theories like behaviorism, constructivism, cognitivism, and social learning, each emphasizing different aspects of how knowledge is acquired. Modes of delivery may include traditional classrooms, online platforms, hybrid learning, or flipped classrooms, where students review content at home and engage actively during class. Assessment and feedback are integral, using both formative methods to monitor progress and summative tools to evaluate understanding. Modern methodologies also leverage technology, using digital tools to enhance engagement and accessibility. Ultimately, effective teaching requires flexibility and responsiveness, ensuring meaningful learning experiences that inspire curiosity and promote lifelong growth.